Hello and welcome to the channel. My name is Bijay and I'm a Microsoft MVP specialized in SharePoint. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can leave an organization as a guest user in Microsoft Teams. So what it means is I have a Microsoft Teams and you can see here this is my Microsoft team where I have logged in with two accounts here. You can see one is TS Info Technologies, the other one is SharePoint Night, and this is as a guest user. So I want to remove this SharePoint Night from here so that only my organization will appear here. Let me open Microsoft Teams and show you what exactly I'm trying to do here. So if I'll open Microsoft Teams, you can see here it is showing, and here is another. If I'll click on this, then you can see here two organizations it is showing, and I'm a guest user of this organization. Recently, they have conducted a session. In fact, that's a 36-hour session for they conducted for 2 days, and there they have added me as a guest speaker. So that's the reason they gave access to me in their site. So I appeared as a guest user over there so that we can see the documents and everything. Now this one, if you will see, I want to remove this and I didn't get an option in the Teams to remove it. So what you have to do is we can log into portal, Azure portal, and we have to remove it from there. Now let me open that. So in fact, if you want to learn SharePoint, then I have training courses. You can check it out here. Previously, we were SharePointSky.com. Now it is spguides.com, but everything else is same. We have just changed the name. There is SharePoint Development Training. If you are interested, you can check it out. I'll put the link in the video description. Now I'll log into portal.azure.com, and you can see here I will log in with my TSInfo account. You can see here, and once you log in, you can click over here and go to View Account. And once you click on View Account, then you can see here it will show you the profile. Now not necessarily you will come up with this profile, but maybe you will see the other profile as well. For example, let's say when you log in, maybe you will come up with your original profile, might not be with the other profile logged in. So in this scenario, what you have to do is you can actually go here and then you can click on this settings icon. You can see here organization, and here you will be actually able to see both the organization, and you can click on the settings icon. Once you click on the settings icon, you can see here you have the organization things over here. If you have you can see here I am not logged in on this SharePoint night. That's the reason it is showing me that sign in to leave the organization. So I'll click on the sign in option, and if you will see it will sign in with that. And then you can see here I logged in with the account, and here it is showing no apps is there, which is absolutely fine. Now you click over here and then again go to the settings icon. Click on the settings icon to go to this profile. Now you can see here you are at the organizations section, and in this you can see there is an option which is coming out as a leave organization. So you click on that, and then you can see here it is asking us to confirm if you want to leave this organization. Then you click on leave, and then you will no longer be the SharePoint night or in your guest user, wherever you are guest user in that organization, you will not be a part of that. So I'll just click on this, and once you click on this it will take some time, and you can see here you have left this. Click on OK, and now you will be having only one organization. So it will ideally it might just take some time before you leave that organization, or once you leave this it will take some time to remove it. And after that if you'll close it and you will open it, let me just close and open it once again, but might not necessarily it will removed now, but after 24 hours when you will try, it will removed from over there. So let me just open it once now. If it is not there, if it is still there, don't worry, it will be removed from this Teams after 24 hours. So I hope you like this video. It will reflect the changes And once you have this, you will only see your organization. So you can actually check out our websites as well, spguides.com, for more videos on SharePoint, Office 365, Azure, and this is our Twitter handles and LinkedIn and Facebook pages. So thank you and subscribe to our YouTube channel and have a nice day.